Unlock the power of mind mapping templates.
Mind mapping software templates offer ready-made structures for your ideas. These templates help you skip the blank page and organize thoughts faster. Whether you tackle projects, meetings, or creative sessions, templates kickstart your brainstorming process. Let's explore how to get more from your favorite mind mapping tool by mastering templates.
Finding and choosing the right template.
Most mind mapping tools come with a variety of pre-built templates for common use cases, like project planning, SWOT analysis, and meeting agendas. Start by browsing your software's template gallery. Choose one that matches your goal. Templates often include helpful prompts or branch labels, making it easier to structure your thoughts from the start.
Customizing templates for your needs.
Templates are starting points, not strict rules. Personalize your template by editing labels, adding new branches, or changing formatting to fit your style and content. This flexibility helps you adapt a pre-made template into your own effective brainstorming tool. Guided, but never boxed in.
Boosting speed and structure in brainstorming.
Using templates can speed up brainstorming by providing an instant structure for your ideas. No time wasted designing your map from scratch. Templates encourage you to think about important categories and relationships, making your sessions more productive and organized, all while reducing decision fatigue.
Saving and sharing your own templates.
As you get comfortable, save your customized maps as new templates. Most software lets you save and reuse these, so your favorite structures are always handy. You can also share them with teammates, making collaboration smoother and ensuring everyone starts on the same page.
Conclusion: brainstorm smarter with templates.
Next time you fire up your mind mapping tool, give templates a try. You might be surprised by how much more effective and enjoyable your brainstorming sessions become.